Quick update video for you. The Action 4 with firmware update version 01.03.0717 actually enables the ability to use the DJI Mic 2 with the camera via Bluetooth. It's a brilliant update, and I fully expect with the release of this firmware update that the DJI Mic 2 will be available to everybody that hasn't bought the creator package of the Pocket 3, because at the moment that's the only way you can get your hands on this microphone. So I fully expect them to be releasing it really soon, so make sure you do subscribe to the channel, because we'll be buying that and reviewing it in full when it is released, so make sure that you stick around for that one. Let me know in the comments down below as well what your favourite feature is of the Action 4, because mine now is the fact that you can connect the DJI Mic 2 to it. It's a phenomenal microphone. Let me just test it out for you in the garden and let you listen to how it actually sounds connected to the microphone. Check out the sunset. Wow. Okay, so we are connected to the DJI Wireless Mic 2 to the Action 4, and having this ability to record audio with this microphone directly to the camera, not having any ports open so it still makes the camera waterproof, it's a game-changing feature for me. I've got to say, I'm really impressed they brought out this update. All the features work, like I've mentioned. You can still start and stop recording with the microphone. You've got 32-bit float backup when you've got that video to audio sync turned on as well. You've got low pass filter. You've got all the features, and the only difference is really you can't connect two microphones to this camera. You can only connect the one, but you know, maybe they'll update that in another future firmware update. So yeah, really great firmware update. Fully impressed with it, and this is what it sounds like. Testing 1 2 3. At the moment you can only connect one microphone. I fully expect them to maybe update that in the future so you can connect two to the camera, because I think they will release two packages. They'll release one with the two transmitters and one receiver as like the package, like the last DJI microphone, and then maybe you'll be able to just buy this one on its own so you can just use it with the Action 4. So to connect it to the microphone, you just go into the wireless settings and you go into the wireless microphone section. It'll give you the instructions. You basically have to hold down the link button after pressing the power button, and then you get the blue light flashing and it will come up wireless mic connected like so. You just press confirm, and then you can see here you've got the wireless microphone connected, which is great. You can disconnect or change connection. Once you've linked the microphone to the camera, it will remember it. But then in here you've got monitor volume. You can actually monitor your audio now through the USB-C port, which is a audio USB-C port, so you can actually monitor the audio if you want to do that as well. That's another great feature. You can turn the LEDs on or off on the microphone in the camera. All these options are in the camera now. You can turn the vibration on and off. You can turn audio to video sync, which basically when you start recording records on the microphone as well, so it gives you that backup. So you've got 32-bit float built into the DJI Wireless Mic 2, so once you start recording on the camera it will start recording on the microphone, and then for some reason you have some interference or you have drop out in signal, then you've got that backup audio. I have that switched on all the time. You can turn low cut pass filter on or off. I'm going to turn that off for now. Then if you go to the pro settings on the side here, you'll have a little thing where you press the microphone and then you can change the transmitter. I'm going to have the gain on about +2. You can actually mute the microphone on and off, or you can turn noise reduction on or off actually in the microphone. And all the other features work with this. So you can press the link button to start recording. If I press the link button now, it'll start recording on the camera, and you can stop recording by pressing the link button, just like so. Then you get a little buzz on the microphone to let you know that it's stopped recording. So that's a great feature. You can actually turn the low pass filter on and off from here as well. So everything works, and this, you know, really does change the game when it comes to wireless microphones. The picture quality is already great on these cameras, but now we can get sick audio as well with these cameras. It really is game changing, and yeah, I think it's a great update. Okay, that's it. Quick video, great update from DJI. Make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Give this video a like as well, it really does help. Check out this video here, you might like that one, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, bye.